I got cats. I got cats on my laps. Hey Leo, hey, what's up, buddy? Hey baby girl, what's up, girl? What's up, Leo? Cats on my laps. You guys are so cute. First Leo gets on my lap, and then baby girl gets jealous, and then she jumps up here on my side in my armpit area, sorta. Oh baby, you gotta be close to your daddy, huh? Yeah, what a good girl. Yeah, oh, she's so pretty. Look at that girl. Hey Leo, what's up, buddy? Hey cutie pie, what's up? What's up, buddy? What a good boy. Oh, sweetie. Uh-oh, I hear the washing machine. So I'll show you guys my beautiful cat lap. Bye.